Hi guys, Szenan-Balance here from AcuTCM School, and today I'm going to show you a case treating this facial twitching by Jiyi Acupuncture. So let's have a look at the video first. As you can see here, this very short video over here that's before acupuncture. You see that the face is twitching in here. So this is a nervous system problem, so it's very difficult. And you see this video still going on that side. It's for a long time now that, you know, hasn't got any twitching at all on the face. Let's play it again. This is twitching in here, but that one, you see, it's not happening. It's not happening. That is fantastic. So it's only 3 acupuncture, and this kid been to a few hospital, then been under treatment but unsuccessful. No one know what's going on. So after 3 acupuncture of Jiyi, which is needle metal point of sun and fire yin yang point 3 times. 3 times. Alright. So the fire point means the head points. Metal point means chest or upper back or hands, right? That's it, okay? It doesn't tell me exactly which metal point or which fire point, okay? But anyway, the good news is the twitching is gone. Very good one, right? Now, if you want to learn Jiyi Acupuncture, you want to learn online, free Jiyi Acupuncture training will teach you how to figure out yin and yang, making a diagnosis according to the leg, okay, foot, I mean, and also show you what water points can do and how to locate water points, how to needle water points. And the free training is down there. There's a link down there or up there. Further on, if you want to learn all Jiyi Acupuncture method, you have to attend the workshop. Alright, the workshop is going to be in Malaysia and coming up 22nd to 24th over here in November. By the time I'm doing this video, I'm filming this video is 26th of July 2022. So this is in 2022 as well. Now, if you join, we'll give you 10 webinar, right? 10 free webinar, as well as free hotel accommodation, and as well as if you arrive the hotel at airport, from airport to hotel, we're going to cover of the transportation fee as well. Now, this is very important news. Good news as well, because we're not just giving you the sponsor of what I just mentioned about, and there's only 1 seat left. Alright, so if you want to join, please contact my WhatsApp now. And next year, 2023, and the fee is going up, okay? So contact me ASAP. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.